Hello friends and welcome to today's video. Today is Ipsy time. I got this yesterday in the mail. It looks like it's been taped together more than usual. And I always enjoy doing these unboxings. It's like a little present to myself partway through the month. I think I've mentioned this before on my channel, but if you are Canadian and you want to get Ipsy, the price is going to vary a little bit every month, but it usually comes in around $19 in total with tax and shipping and everything else. I don't think I've been spoiled on this so far. I can sometimes tell when people have received certain things in their Ipsy because they go and watch previous videos of mine, but I think Ipsy keeps track of what they've sent you before and we just sort of tend to get things at different times. So let us see what I got. Okay, it's a larger bag and something just dropped there. Oh, there's something outside the bag. Okay, so they've started doing telling you what the items are on the card, so I'm not going to look at that. And we have a brush here. It's quite the way this is packaged. It's got the plastic and then this little wrap. Oh, that is actually a nice sized brush for my collection. I have no idea who this is made by. Oh, wait, I do. Farah. I've received products from Farah before, I think another brush, and I think I quite enjoy that brush. You know, it's not really what I would go for in terms of color and style, but it feels soft and I don't have a lot of brushes this size, so this will be helpful. This looks like a very good powder brush. Maybe blush, but probably powder. Then we have our little bag, which has little kisses all over it. Not my fave again, but that's okay. Let's reach in here and what is this that I feel? This feels like eye masks. Let's see if I'm right. Yes, okay. All natural retinol infused eye mask. This is from KNC Beauty. I think I've received a mask from them before. I think it was a charcoal mask and I don't think I was super blown away by it. But collagen infused eye masks, I am more than happy to give these a try. It's supposed to give you fresh, hydrated, depuffed eyes that are gram and glam ready. Okay. I've been severely neglecting my Instagram lately. I just don't feel like I have a lot to post, so I haven't been, but I'm gonna try to get back on soon. So it actually seems like some pretty good ingredients in here. Collagen, aloe, grapeseed oil, licorice root extract, rose flower oil, rosemary extract, retinol, gold hyaluronic acid, and a capyhydromic acid, but there isn't any alcohol in here, and you know, hyaluronic acid is great and there's some nice oils in here, so that makes me look forward to trying these a little bit more. What do we have next? There's something wrapped in bubble wrap, so let's try that. Okay, it is a little eyeshadow single from Meech and Mia. I know I've received something from them before. I just don't know if I actually made a video on it. So this is the shade Caramel. Ooh, too much light. There we go. I mean, it's not the most exciting thing in the world. It looks like it's just a brown matte shade. Yep, that right there is like a very transition brown. I guess I'll try it and use it. It's, I'm much more likely to use a brown that is in a palette that I'm already using than pull out a single to use. So I have two more things left and one feels like a lip product and one is a squeezy tube. So let's go for the thing that feels like a lip balm. Oh, okay. This is, what is this? It's something from the brand either Laka or Laga, and it's prickly pear, and it's quite bright. Now, is this a gloss? Is this a... it smells fruity. I'm gonna look at the card and see what that is before I start putting it on myself. And the last item is a little squeeze bottle, and this is a brand I haven't heard from. It's called Lab For You Multi-X Repair Cream. Instantly soothes and moisturizes skin after any irritation or damage. Professional repair formula, anti-wrinkle and brightener, and daily calming moisturizer. Interesting. So it sounds like a moisturizer, which I'm always in the market for, so I'm happy to give this a try. So that's everything in the bag. Let's see what the card says about it. Meech and Mia Pressed Eyeshadow and Caramel. I mean, it's a honey gold eyeshadow. Lab for You Multi-X Repair Cream. It doesn't say the prices or anything on here, but it's a brand that was created by dermatologists and experts in aesthetic who know how to deal with all skin types. The Farrah Brushes Powder Brush, so it is a powder brush. The brand is known for luxe brushes that won't break the bank. It doesn't look that luxe to me. It looks pretty junior looking, but again, it seems like a nice brush. There's the KNC Beauty Star Eye Mask. The brand was founded after a beauty columnist noticed a lack of all-natural options in the mask scene. Okay, so maybe that wasn't the mask I was thinking of, but I know I've used something by them before. And then Lacquer & Co. Okay, I've used something from them before, like way back in the day, one of my very first reviews. The brand is inspired by the bold colors, patterns, and artistic vibes of New York City's Lower East Side. Apparently, the formula adjusts to your skin's pH levels, enhancing or softening pink undertones to create your own custom shade. So I'm gonna give that a try. So that was my bag this month. I wouldn't say it's my favorite, but it's not bad. Like, I'm going to get use out of everything. I'm probably most excited about the lip gloss, the eye masks, and maybe the brush, because I do think I'll get use out of a powder brush. The moisturizer I think will be good. The issue for skincare products in Ipsy bags is you don't get enough of it to really know what kind of long-term effect it's having. So it's mostly nice just to have something to travel with that's a moisturizer. And then that brown eyeshadow is kind of a disappointment. Like, if you're trying to show me what kind of formulas you can make for your brand, I feel like something more exciting than just a honey brown shade might be good. But overall, there's some good stuff in here to try and test out, and I did enjoy receiving it and opening it with all of you. If you like these videos, give this a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe. I do beauty videos 3 times a week and then other types of videos on the weekend. Thanks so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!